Hi everyone, I'm Gabby and today I want to show you the stainless steel spiral dough hook. The reason why I got this one is because being stainless steel, you can put it in the dishwasher. As of the original that came with my KitchenAid, I put it in the dishwasher and the coating came completely off. As of with stainless steel, that will not happen. This product is not original from KitchenAid, but it is compatible with KitchenAid. And you have different models that you can choose from. This being stainless steel, it will not chip, it will not fade. This is not just stainless steel coating. When I first got it, I was a little hesitant because even though the shape, it is the same as the original from my KitchenAid, the head, it was a little bit different, but it fits the same. It does not have any play in it. I have gotten some other alternative parts that you can hear the clang, clang, clang because it does not fit here properly. As of this one, you will not have that issue. I really like the fact that this product has included in the box how to adjust the paddle to your mixer, and it's honestly fairly easy. So if you, like me, are tired of having paddles of the coating it's chipping, that you cannot put it in a dishwasher, or if you're afraid that you're gonna end up eating those little bits and pieces, I really recommend you to check this stainless steel hook. It has proven to be really good for me. I absolutely love this one, and considering that it's stainless steel, it is gonna last me for life. So I really recommend you to check it out. You're not gonna be disappointed.